In recent years, the medical field has seen a surge in the use of artificial intelligence to help diagnose, treat, and research various diseases. One of the biggest areas where AI is making a difference is in medical imaging. AI algorithms can quickly and accurately analyze medical images such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, allowing doctors to make more informed diagnoses. AI is also helping doctors develop personalized treatment plans for patients. By analyzing a patient's medical history and genetic makeup, AI algorithms can help doctors determine the most effective treatment options. AI is also being used in medical research. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can help researchers identify patterns and potential new treatments for diseases. AI is even being used in the operating room. Surgical robots equipped with AI algorithms can assist doctors in performing surgeries with greater precision and accuracy. While there are still challenges to overcome, the use of AI in the medical field has the potential to revolutionize healthcare and improve outcomes for patients. However, the use of AI in healthcare also raises ethical and privacy concerns. It's important to ensure that patient data is protected and that AI algorithms are transparent and unbiased. To address these concerns, researchers are working to develop ethical guidelines for the use of AI in healthcare and to create algorithms that are explainable and accountable. Patients also play a role in ensuring the responsible use of AI in healthcare. By being informed about the technology and advocating for their rights, patients can help shape the future of healthcare. In the end, the goal of AI in healthcare is not to replace doctors, but to enhance their abilities and improve patient outcomes. With responsible use and continued innovation, AI has the potential to transform healthcare for the better. Thank you for watching. For more information on how AI is changing the face of medicine, please visit our website.